Let us see how to log in on a BPL app. So BPL stands for PBL stands for Project Based Learning. That is a key initiative by Wipro Talent Next team. So you need to, I'm sure all of you must have received login from Wipro with Talent Next. So your registered email ID is your username and a password. You must have received it, I'm sure. So you click on it, you'll have to use it, enter your email password. So you'll have to enter the login credentials and click on login. So this is your landing page. So you'll have to please go through this right from this, and what is PPL, Project Based Learning, and then Metal User Guide. And so this is a platform in which we'll take problem statement and solve one by one. So you will get to know complete information about BPL, Project Based Learning, Collaborative Learning, Discuss Forum and all that. Then there is something called Metal User Guide. So a lot of assessments you will be taking on this Metal. So they'll give you a, for example, there's a demo programming link. You just simply go through this. So you'll be prompted to enter your email ID, which is your registered email ID with Wipro. So in case of any clarifications about your email ID and password, you can always get in touch with your placement coordinator, right? So they've given a complete information how to work on Metal. So just go through this, you'll understand. Then once you're done with this, it's very important, you just move to the logic building. Click on logic building. So once you're familiar with this, then move on to logic building. Those are already familiar with the Java, please proceed. Do not wait for our video content. You can keep moving, right? So then let's see how this works. Logic building is the most beautiful part in this session, I would say. It's interesting too. So if you click on logic building, this is what you get. Below is the learning material that you are expected to read for this tech capsule. The material is mentioned in the order in which it should be read. So we'll have to start from problem solving by computer. All these are mandatory. An approach to logic building, then number based problems, loop based problems, array based problems, string based problems, sorting and searching based problems. So let's see, we'll have to go through this. So if you complete all this, then you can move on to Java fundamentals, right? Tech model, Java fundamentals, it has all this. Java fundamentals itself has logic building or plan 1. So a lot of interesting problems we'll have on this. So we'll share we'll discuss some of the problem statements as well. Let's see how this, if I click on this, it will open up a PDF document. So problem solving by computer. So click on one by one. So click on one by one. So you will get all this. So how to add what is logic. So look at this. So logic is a collection of well-defined activities to be performed in order to solve a problem. We need to add two numbers. Logic is very simple. Get the numbers to be added from the user, add them using addition operator, save the result and print the result. So the logic is, this is what they talk about logic. So what is logic building, or how do we build logic to solve problems? And what are algorithms and programs? How algorithm is different from a program, right? They've given an example solution. Write an algorithm to determine if a student has passed the English language exam or not. The student mark must be entered by the user. The pass mark for the exam is greater than 35. So solution algorithm, step 1, read the student mark from the user. Then we check if the mark is greater than 35, then we say pass, otherwise we say fail. Simple. So we can also use a flow chart to represent the logic. So simple, start, read the mark, it's a processing, and this is a decision making. So if it is yes, something happens. If it is yes, no, something else happens, right? Then from this we need to build the program. So building a program is no big deal. You can build program in any language, be it a C, C++ or Java, but the logic building is what more important. The one who is good at mathematical ability, logical thinking, he or she should be able to do well in programming. That's not a big deal. So computation problems, there are many computation problems in reality. However, in this tech capsule we will classify them into 6 categories. So basically they categorize into 6. They are number based problems, loop based problems, array based problems, string based problems, and sorting and searching related problems. So algorithm try run table. Once we have understood a given problem statement and represented the required solution logic in algorithm, using an algorithm, we check for its correctness. We build an algorithm try run table to check correctness of every algorithm. Every single problem statement you take, we will have to run this. The template for algorithm try run table is shown below. This table must be used as a reference to create the table required for any algorithm. So algorithm step 1, step 2, and what happens with variable 1, variable 2, and whether the test cases passes and what is the output, pass or fail, and what is output. The above table must be rewritten for different iterations to check if the algorithm works correctly for different input values. So usage, for each step the variable content is updated based on the computations performed. Look at this, for each step, step 1, step 2, step 3. Test condition is updated for an if true as pass, otherwise as fail. It is also updated while evaluating condition with an iterative loop. Output is updated with a message to be displayed at different stages of the algorithm or at end of the algorithm. In case of iterative loops and recursive algorithm, the same step must be rewritten in the algorithm step. Write an algorithm. Look at this example. Write an algorithm to determine if a student passed an English examination or not. So the same problem statement. Now we read a mark. Step 1. Look at this. We have written a step 1. Mark 1 variable. Read mark from user. So for user, we read a mark. Only one variable we require. We do not need variable 2, variable 3, variable 4. For this algorithm, we need only one variable. So it's a dry run algorithm dry run table. So only one variable is taken. Now we check test if mark is greater than 35, right? So now the test is not done. For the first step, the test is not done because step 1 only reads the value. Step 2, so it checks whether it is greater than 35. Yes, we check it. If it is greater than 35, then we pass. Output is also we get pass. Yes, fine. Then if mark is 15, what happens? For the first step, test condition is not checked because only initialization alone takes place in the step 1. Look at this. Step 1. Then step 2, what happens? We check. So the test case is fail. So output is fail. Fine. So this is how we need to go through this. So anyone who has interest should be able to learn, because that is how the Wipro and the TalentNext team has designed. They've designed the course content, right? If you all you need to do is you need to interested. Nothing else is required from your side. So you need to be interested. So Pranam K has created this content. So you'll have to go through one by one, read every single thing. You should be able to understand better. So do not wait for our video content. Wipro, this PPL platform itself has all the necessary contents to learn Java. And not just this, and Metal User Guide, you need to go through it. Once you go through it, look at this. Let's see how to solve problems. So if you suppose you're going to have logic building R plan 1, if you click on this, so you'll have logic building R plan for mile 1. I'm sure if you go, they have given day 1, day 2, go through everything. So you try out all this. So you'll have to write program on your own. We'll write some, right, and create videos for this, right? Then is even, is add, and these are things you need to check. Then if you start from day 4, they have given a link for Metal. So before you click on this link, once you click, please go through the Metal User Guide. So this is very important, Metal User Guide. So you'll have to click on it, read complete information available in it, then click on this problem statement. So you'll have to solve all the problem statements available here, day 4 or day 5, right, day 6, like this. They have up to day 10. So like this, they have multiple logic built-in R plan. M1 they have, and here look at this, M2 they have, and again M2B they have, right? You'll have to solve all the problems available on Metal platform. So we wish you all the best. Wipro has given a beautiful content to learn Java. Please make best use of it.